Hello friends, welcome back. Now we are going to start our new topic in digital marketing season 2 for SEO. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button in this video. Let's get started. Hello and welcome friends. Our topic is using digital to advertise locally in digital marketing season 2. So advertising on the web has changed how buyers and sellers met up. What used to be the phone book has now evolved to most exclusive search engines, online directories, review sites and social networks. And while all of these digital mediums are available to anyone, anywhere in the world, many of these offer ways to advertise to your local audience. In this lesson, we will cover the basics of local advertising to your business. We will explore why local advertising is so important for you and running smoothly, the different places you will be able to buy local ads, and the things you can do to limit your reach to a local audience. First, you have to remember that the internet is everywhere. That means that if you are a hardware store in North Delhi, people in West Delhi are going to be able to find you online, and people from Gurgaon to Kerala as well. But assuming that someone in Kerala is not very likely to hop onto a plane to buy something from you. So, it's probably not going to be a good idea for you to waste your advertising money on people in Kerala. And that's what makes local advertising different. It's limited to showing your ads to people who are local to you and likely to be or become your customers. You can accomplish local advertising online through a lot of different channels, and search engines, local directories, review sites and social networks are great places to start this upon. On search engines, you can bid to show your ad when people type in certain search terms, and all of the major search engines allow you to limit your ads showing to only people in certain locations and geographics. For example, if you are bidding on a keyword like safety locks, you could set up your campaign to only bid if the person that typed it in was within, say, 16 kilometers for your hardware shop. So, what else? Well, social networks like Facebook and LinkedIn offer business pages as well as paid advertising to target local customers. The social networks can figure out where people are. Just like with search engines, you can specify your ads to show only to people who are nearby with a really relevant local message. And of course, the local directory can review your website's offer advertising opportunities as well. Offer and above your listing, which is usually free for anyone. You can pay a little more to get your ad shown in premium locations like search results or even on your competitor's listing. And there are some pretty neat things you can do with your local ads that can take advantage of someone being nearby when they see those ads. First, your messages can be really tailored to someone that's physically close to your shop. And lots of local advertising channels offer some unique features. You might be able to list your hours or operation as well in that, or only show your ads when you are open. Or you might be able to let people get directions right to your storefront on a smartphone or mobile device. Let them ring your phone number with a single tap, or let them browse all your great reviews on them. Local advertising can help you find customers that are close to where do you business, and there are lots of options for running local ads. Whether you choose to use search engines, social networks, directories or review sites. Limiting your advertising budget to people near you and taking advantage of the special local advertising features can help you boost your business in the neighborhood. So I hope you like this video as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much. Have a good day.